Hi, I'm Jason Higginson with APsystems. Excited to talk to you about the APsystems commercial microinverter, the QT2. Comes in two different voltages, 208 and 480 volt. Differentiator with this one is for rooftop solar, there's no rapid shutdown equipment needed. So typically you would see a string inverter plus a rapid shutdown device. With us, you don't need any of that. And it's also a true three-phase system. There's 5 wires in the cable, your line 1, 2, 3, neutral, ground, plug and play three-phase solar. On top of that, it reduces your electronic components on the roof. So instead of having one rapid shutdown device or optimizer for every panel, you have one microinverter for every 4 panels. Faster install, less equipment, cost competitive, and it can pair with up to 4 600-watt PV modules. You can do 550, 575, depending on your preference to pair with these microinverters on your AC to DC ratio. We'd love to talk to you guys more about our residential products as well. We also have energy storage, but APsystems is bringing you the latest in power conversion technology here at RE+.